Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and fellow advocates for the preservation of our planet's most precious tapestry of life, I stand before you today humbled and exhilarated to embark on a journey of exploration and discovery. A journey where science, technology, and society intertwine with the awe-inspiring world of biodiversity. Together, we shall delve into the depths of this intricate relationship, unraveling the thread that binds us to the diverse ecosystem surrounding us. As we navigate through the critical aspects of understanding biodiversity, addressing threats, conducting scientific research and conservation, embracing technological innovations, exploring societal perspective and policies, recognizing the benefits of conservation, promoting education and public engagement, and fostering sustainable development. We shall paint a vivid picture of the foundation upon which a healthy society thrives. Diversity, the intricate web of life that encompasses our planet, is not just a mere assortment of plants and animals. Our world is teeming with life, from the microscopic organism that dwells in the ocean's depth to the majestic creature that roams the savanna. It is the foundation of a healthy society, the essence of our existence. In the next few minutes, I will take you on a journey exploring significance of biodiversity and its implications for our world. First and foremost, we must understand what biodiversity truly means. It encompasses the tremendous variety of species, ecosystems, and genetic diversity that thrives on Earth. Imagine walking through a dense forest filled with majestic trees, vibrant flowers, and harmonious chorus of countless birds. That, my friends, is biodiversity in action. The rainforest is not merely a collection of trees. It is a complex ecosystem that sustains countless organisms, from the tiniest insects to the large predators. It is the symphony of life, where each species plays a unique role, contributing to the delicate balance of our planet. Unfortunately, despite the intrinsic value, biodiversity faces numerous threats. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and climate change are pushing many species towards extinction. We have witnessed the heartbreaking decline of iconic creatures like the majestic tiger, the gentle sea turtle, and the magnificent rhinoceros. Let me share with you a real-life situation that exemplifies the threats of biodiversity. In the Amazon rainforest, also known as the lungs of the earth, one of the most biodiverse regions in our planet, rampant deforestation poses a grave danger to countless species. The relentless pursuit of timber, agricultural land, and minerals has led to the destruction of vast swaths of pristine forest. Not only does this threaten the survival of countless species, but it also disrupts vital ecosystem services such as carbon sequestration and water regulation. In the face of such challenges, scientific research and conservation efforts provide a glimmer of hope. Scientists worldwide are tirelessly working to understand and document the incredible diversity of the life on Earth. They explore remote rainforests, dive into the depth of the oceans, and venture into unexplored territories to uncover new species and ecosystems. One inspiring example of scientific research and conservation is the study of coral reefs. Rising ocean temperatures and coral bleaching threatens these vibrant and biodiverse underwater ecosystems. Scientists are conducting groundbreaking research to understand the complex dynamics of coral reefs and develop strategies to protect them. They use innovative techniques like 3D mapping and genetic analysis to study coral resilience and identify areas most vulnerable to climate change. This knowledge is crucial for conserving and restoring these valuable habitats. In addition to scientific research, technological innovation have emerged as powerful tools in the fight to protect biodiversity. These advancements enable us to monitor ecosystems, track endangered species, and detect illegal wildlife trade. Consider the case of wildlife poaching. Poachers continue to decimate vulnerable populations of elephants, rhinoceroses, and other endangered species for their valuable ivory and horns. However, technology is providing a ray of hope. Drones equipped with thermal cameras are being deployed to patrol protected areas, helping rangers detect and apprehend poachers. The real-time data collected by these drones allowed swift action to protect wildlife and bring criminals to justice. Furthermore, machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and inform conservation strategies. By analyzing satellite imagery, this algorithm can detect deforestation hotspots and guide efforts to prevent further destruction. They can also predict the movement pattern of migratory species, helping authorities establish protected corridors and mitigate human-wildlife conflicts. Biodiversity conservation is not solely the responsibility of scientists and policymakers. Societal perspectives and policies play a significant role in shaping our relationship with nature. When we realize that our well-being is intricately linked to the health of our ecosystems, we begin to value and protect them. Let me give you an inspiring real-life example of societal perspective and policies driving positive change. In Costa Rica, a small country in Central America, the government has strongly emphasized environmental protection. Over the years, they had established a vast network of national parks and protected areas, covering more than 25% of the country's land. This commitment to conservation has preserved incredible biodiversity and made Costa Rica a leading ecotourism destination, providing economic benefits to local communities. Why should we care about biodiversity? The benefits it provides are immeasurable, from medicine derived from plants to the vital pollination services of bees and other insects. Biodiversity is the source of countless innovations and services contributing to our well-being. First, biodiversity is a treasured trove of natural compounds that have the potential to revolutionize medicine. Many drugs such as painkillers and cancer treatments originate from natural sources. For instance, the cone snail's venom has led to the development of a powerful painkiller called Prialt. By conserving biodiversity, we preserve the potential for further medical breakthroughs that could save lives and improve human health. Second, biodiverse ecosystems provides us with a range of valuable services that are essential for our well-being. One such service is pollination. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators play a crucial role in the reproduction of flowering plants, including many of our food crops. Without pollinators, agricultural productivity would decline, leading to food shortages and economic losses. Protecting pollinators and their habitats ensures the continuity of this vital ecosystem service.
Third, biodiversity conservation is vital in reducing the impacts of natural disasters, such as floods, landslides, and hurricanes. Healthy ecosystems act as natural buffers, observing and mitigating the destructive forces of these events. Wetlands, for instance, are nature's sponges absorbing excess rainfall and reducing the risk of flooding. Downstream, mangrove forests serve as natural barriers against storm surges, protecting coastal communities from the devastating impacts of hurricane. By preserving and restoring these ecosystems, we enhance our resilience to climate-related disasters and safeguard human lives and infrastructure. Fourth, biodiversity conservation is an ethical and environmental imperative and promising economic strategy. Many communities worldwide depend on biodiversity and healthy ecosystems for their livelihoods. One real-life example of the economic benefits of biodiversity conservation is the practice of agroforestry. Agroforestry combines the cultivation of crops with the planting of trees, mimicking natural forest ecosystems. This approach enhances biodiversity by providing a habitat for beneficial insects, birds, and other organisms that contribute to biological pest control. It also improves soil health and water retention, increasing crop yields and improving resilience to climate variability. In parts of Africa, integrating nitrogen fixing trees into farming systems have helped reduce the dependence of synthetic fertilizers. These trees enhance soil fertility by capturing atmospheric nitrogen and transferring it to the soil, thereby reducing the cost of inputs for farmers and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. Lastly, biodiversity is not just crucial for its tangible benefits, it also holds immense cultural and aesthetic value. Many indigenous communities have deep spiritual and cultural connection with their surroundings ecosystems, intricately woven into their traditions, rituals, and identity. For example, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia is a natural wonder and a UNESCO Worldwide Heritage Site, symbolizing the region's rich cultural and ecological heritage. Preserving biodiversity ensures that future generations can appreciate and be inspired by the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. Education and public engagement are pivotal in fostering a society that values the biodiversity. By instilling a sense of wonder and appreciation for nature in our children, we can inspire the next generation of conservation scientists and policymakers. One example of adequate education and public engagement is the establishment of nature reserves and environmental education programs in urban areas. These initiatives provide opportunities for city dwellers to reconnect with nature, learn about local biodiversity, and engage in hands-on conservation activities. By cultivating a sense of responsibility and stewardship, these programs empower individuals to impact their surroundings positively. Finally, we must ensure that sustainable development goes hand in hand with biodiversity conservation. Economic progress and environmental stewardship are not mutually exclusive. By embracing renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and responsible consumption, we can build a future that respects and preserves the diversity of life on our planet. In conclusion, biodiversity is the thread that weaves the fabric of life. Understanding the value of biodiversity, recognizing its threats, and embracing scientific research, technological innovation, societal perspective, education, and sustainable development are all essential components of preserving the intricate web of life on Earth. As we conclude this vlog on the STS and biodiversity, the foundation of a healthy society, let us remember that the intricate web of life surrounding us is not separate from us, but an integral part of who we are. Through the lens of science, technology, and society, we can genuinely appreciate and safeguard the invaluable biodiversity that sustains us. By understanding biodiversity's value, recognizing its threats, and embracing scientific research, technological innovation, and societal perspective education and sustainable development, we lay the groundwork for a healthier and more sustainable future. So let us embark on this journey together as steward of the Earth, driven by curiosity, empathy, and deep sense of responsibility. Let us inspire others engage in meaningful conservation and act in our daily lives to protect and celebrate the extraordinary biodiversity surrounding us. Remember, each small step we take, whether planting a native flower in our backyard, supporting local conservation initiatives, or advocating for policies prioritizing biodiversity, contributes to the collective efforts of preserving the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. Together, we can shape a future where society thrives in harmony with nature, where biodiversity is cherished as the foundation of our well-being, and where generations to come inherit a world rich in wonders, mysteries, and the interconnectedness that binds us all. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and inspiration. Let us continue to champion the crucial relationship between science, technology, and society, in nurturing and safeguarding the vibrant tapestry of life that makes us planet genuinely extraordinary.